Hello YouTube, it's Joe Houck. I'm here with my son, and we got our Marvel Collector's box today, and the theme was Secret Wars, and the Thor box on the front. This box is pretty beat up. Everything inside was really cool. One of my lights is going out in here. And of course the inside. Everyone doesn't want to see the box, but it opens up and it just has some cool stuff inside the box as well. You like the box, Colin?
Yeah, I like it.
JoJo's upstairs watching his sister real quick while we do this.
Yeah.
And it is, what is today? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Here's the shirt. I got the shirt for me this time, but I think I'll get a size for you and your brother. For you or your brother next time.
Yeah. I wear a medium.
I really like the Spider-Man.
Yeah, I wear a medium and 8.
Miles Morales.
Oh, that's
It's really cool.
nice shirt. Yeah.
It's a big shirt because that's for Dad.
I like
It's a really cool pin.
Yep.
If you could see it. Definitely getting another box, huh? They're not going to say the theme. I haven't read any of the Secret Wars.
Yeah.
No, I don't think I have. But we're definitely gonna. It's the exclusive Thor. We got 2 pops. We got the Secret Wars Thor.
That's a girl now.
This is definitely a girl.
Yeah.
It's okay. We're getting a glare.
Yeah, there's a boy Thor.
I might as well take it out.
Yeah.
Take it out.
Yeah.
So that means we got our Deathstroke. We got our regular Thor.
Yeah.
And then we got our girl Thor, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Their heads move.
Mm-hmm. I'll go along with. Look, Thor's happy, huh? Yeah, we got a girl.
Yeah, Thor's always happy. Oh yeah, she's.
And
Here's
Miles
Spider-Man.
Morales.
That's Spider-Man, too. Spider-Man's in there.
So we got 2 pops.
Yeah, we have
Which is
regular Spider-Man.
really cool.
Yeah, I wish we
So we started collecting these. Come on in. You can't see, I can win.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy the Turtle Man.
That's Turtle Man, huh?
Yeah. Oh,
Check that one out.
his head moves pretty.
That one's pretty neat, huh? It's
Yeah,
blue.
yeah. It's blue and it's red, right?
Got the spider on the back, too.
His butt.
So we got 2 pops, Thor and Miles Morales. Spider-Man.
Yeah, Uncle Spider-Man.
Forgot, we got a comic too. So we got the pin, the patch, t-shirt, 2 pops, and the magazine. And a really cool box for, what is it, $25. That is bi-monthly, so it's every 2 months. And the next one comes out, I think, right around Halloween, and the last one comes out right around Christmas.
And Halloween.
That was it. How'd you like the box?
Fun.
You like these, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like them too. There's a lot of other ones that they have on here. But we wanted to share. We hadn't seen anyone post anything yet on it. We were excited to have ours, and me and Colin wanted to come down and show you. So we got Spider-Man, Thor, Pop, Secret Wars comic, pin, and a patch, and a t-shirt. So that's all for today.
Yeah.
We're still waiting for Midtown Comics. Nothing else new today. We're going to start putting everything in Mylar bags. And I think that's it. So say bye, YouTube.
Bye.
Say bye.